You know those days when you just need a perfect comfort rice dish? Yeah, a popular South Indian recipe called tomato rice is the one. It's the easiest one-pot recipe, and with our AI cooking companion appliance, it's even easier. Because in this smart jar, I can do everything. I can saute spices, I can cut onions, I can cook the entire recipe. We just have to follow the instructions shown here and add the ingredients step by step. We'll get our ingredients. The first step is soaking the rice. We'll measure our rice here. Measure our water. Next, we'll saute the whole spices. For that, we need 2 large spoons of oil, 15 curry leaves, 2 dried red chili, 1 small spoon of mustard seeds, and half small spoon of hing. Now, saute the spices. Under the name of the ingredient only, you can see how to prep the ingredients. As you can see, it says cut in 2. I click and there's a video that shows how to cut the tomatoes. Next, we'll add the tomatoes cut in 2. 2.5 small spoons salt, 1 small spoon of Kashmiri mirch, 1 medium spoon of coriander powder, and finally 1 medium spoon of garam masala. Now let the tomatoes saute with the other ingredients. It smells amazing. And now for the final step, we'll strain the rice, add it to the jar along with 380 grams of water, and finally cover it with silver foil. Now, while appliance here cooks the rice for me, I can take a break. Oh my god, cannot believe how perfectly it came out. I think I can just finish it in one go. Oh my god, I love it. Tell us what you want us to cook next in India's first AI cooking companion. If you want to see more of our plans in action, you know where to subscribe.